Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a unique twist on countertop cooking, the Nuwave Pro Plus 2 Infra-Red Oven. Now this isn't your typical air fryer or convection oven. What makes this stand out is its combination of infrared, conduction, and convection cooking. That means it cooks food from the inside and outside at the same time, resulting in faster cooking and more even results. One of the biggest advantages here is convenience. You can cook food straight from frozen, no defrosting and no preheating required. That's a huge time saver, especially on busy days when you just want to get a meal ready quickly. The 360-degree surround heat technology ensures that hot air circulates evenly around your food. This helps lock in moisture while still giving you that crispy outer layer. So you get juicy interiors with a perfectly cooked finish. With adjustable temperature controls and 100 preset cooking functions, this oven is extremely versatile. Whether you're roasting, baking, grilling, or reheating, it adapts easily to different cooking needs. Plus, it includes 50 memory slots, so you can save your favorite settings and reuse them anytime. The tough power dome design is another standout feature. It's durable, heat-resistant, and allows you to monitor your food as it cooks without opening the oven. This helps maintain consistent temperature and improves cooking efficiency. Health-wise, this oven is designed to cook with little to no added oil, making it a great option for healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. It's perfect for everything from meats and vegetables to snacks and desserts. It's also compact enough for most countertops while still offering enough space for everyday cooking. And thanks to its simple controls, it's easy to use whether you're a beginner or an experienced home cook. So if you're looking for a fast, efficient, and versatile cooking solution with a unique heating system, the Nuwave Pro Plus 2 is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest reviews like this.